All right, so let's open the hood and familiarize ourselves with the mower itself. So, that's the hood. You have your engine. This is where you add oil, very important for maintenance wise. This is the muffler exhaust. Don't touch that. This is where you're going to add gas. So we're going to move back here. So this is how you engage the mower blades. So down there, it's going to spin the blades. This is your shifter. You have 5 speeds, neutral and reverse. Depending on the type of mower, yours might be different, but this is how mine is set up. And this right here is the deck height. So as you can see, you can lower the deck or you can raise the deck. So yeah, you got 6 cutting heights, and this is the clutch right here. So next off, mowers usually they come with this safety back here. So in order for the engine to start, this little button needs to be down, or it just kills the spark to the engine and it won't start. It's a safety feature, so if you fall off the mower, it shuts the mower off. So now we're gonna get here. I'm gonna sit in the seat. All right, so as you can see, we have our turtle and the rabbit symbol. So basically, these are just how strong or fast the engine's spinning. So this will be like, like an idle. This will be like full throttle. And you have this symbol right here, which is the choke. So the choke basically gets the engine more fuel, so it'll start on a cold start. So when you do start this mower, it's already been running, so when you first start it, you want to have your choke all the way on, and you want to try to turn over the engine. But we'll get to that later. And now you see this is basically our parking brake and our ignition. So right here, it doesn't do anything. This right here, when the engine is running and the blades are on, you can put the mower in reverse, and the blades they'll keep spinning and the engine won't die. If you don't put it on this, as soon as you try to put it in reverse, the engine's going to die because of the safety feature. This is the run position, and right here is how you turn over the engine. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to start the mower. So as I'm right now, I'm sitting, so I'm engaging I'm disengaging that safety, the little seat safety. So now this is your clutch / brake. So you want to hit this, boom. So push the clutch and brake all the way down. Next, you have to make sure the mower is in neutral. So right now I got it in neutral, so make sure this lever is in neutral. The clutch is all the way down, and make sure the blades are not engaged as well. That is a safety feature as well. It won't start like that. And now, since this engine is already warmed, I don't need to use the choke. So I'm gonna hit the key and it's gonna start. I might put it, there we go, let me see. I hit the key. And as you can see, the engine starts up pretty easily. If you want to kill the engine, just like that. Okay, so all right, so I'm gonna explain how to drive this thing. So we're gonna pretend like the engine is running. So the engine's running, so you guys can hear. So say we want to go to the first gear. So the engine's running, we're in neutral. We're gonna hit the clutch. So the engine's running. So for this particular mower, we want this to be in the turtle position. So, it's just idling. And now we want to get to the first gear. So we put it in the first gear. All right. And now you just let your foot up off the brake slowly, and the mower is going to go forward. Okay, so after that, the mower is going to go forward, and now you can move this all the way up, and now the mower is going to have max power and go forward a lot faster than it would be down here. So I'm going to show you guys that. So we're going to hit the clutch. Let's get this engine running first. shift to the first gear. Let the foot up off the clutch and brake. Boom. And now it goes. It starts moving. And now you can adjust it. Alright, yeah, so with this particular motor, so anytime you want to shift, you got to bring your throttle all the way to the turtle, so idle speed. Have your foot on the brake, and then you can switch it to reverse, neutral, forward. You know, let your foot slowly off the brake, and it's going to go forward or reverse or whatever you have it at. So this, alright, last thing I'm going to show you guys is the blade. Sorry about the plane, but in order for the blade to work, you gotta set this all the way to the rabbit, so full throttle, and then you'll be able to engage the blade. So we're gonna turn the machine on. So to engage the blade, you know, you need full throttle. And remember, so if the blade is engaged, the engine's not going to start. So that's just going to be the end of this tutorial, and I hope this video helps you guys learn how to operate a riding mower.